Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. All right, guys, today, right now, it's an extremely emergency last minute video for you guys right now. I'm currently not in my studio right now, so I don't have my equipment in order to really make a proper video, but I just wanted to, really get you guys updated with the current state of the markets, especially Bitcoin, because right now we are sitting at some crucial levels that can really decide as to what is going to happen in the immediate short term. So without a doubt, guys, let's jump right into it. So if we're looking at the Bitcoin chart right now, as you guys can see, just gonna make it go down on the other side. So as you guys can see, Bitcoin right now, as of recording this video right now, is currently sitting at $28,689. We have broken back down into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level for the price of Bitcoin. And right now, guys, you cannot make this up right now. You guys can see the price of Bitcoin is literally at the support line of that $28,685 price point, and it is playing as a level of support right now. Last time we saw the price of Bitcoin at these kind of lows was back on June 5th of last year. So almost 1 year ago, we saw the prices this low. And fast forward a year, we're back at this price. And, there's a lot of things going on within the markets right now. A lot of people are saying, what exactly caused the price of Bitcoin to really tumble towards the downside? Was this due to the traditional markets pattern going towards the downside? We saw the traditional markets starting to head towards the downside. And, obviously we have seen the correlation between the cryptocurrency markets along with the traditional markets. So that could definitely be a reason as to why we have seen that happen. But in my personal opinion, I do believe what happened with the Luna has a major impact to play with the price of Bitcoin along with the overall markets, because guys, we're talking $3 billion worth of Bitcoin. That's not a small amount. $3 billion of Bitcoin can cause major damage within the markets, and that's exactly what we have seen happen with the price of Bitcoin. But now, the most important thing for you guys, altcoin holders, whether you're a Bitcoin holder, this is, basically a deciding factor for the price of Bitcoin. If the price is unable to hold at this support level, guys, then we could be in for some massive more decline, in my personal opinion, because this support line basically is the last support line for the price of Bitcoin that it needs to hold. If it doesn't, then we are going even lower. I know not everyone wants to hear this, but guys, I want to give you guys the absolute honest, most realistic scenario right now. I'm not going to come here and sit and say, you know what, guys, we're going back to 60K tomorrow. Absolutely not. We look at all the patterns, all, the overall scenario. And right now, guys, this scenario is definitely not out of the woods just yet. So without a doubt, we need to see the price of Bitcoin, stay above this level of support at that $28,625 level. Most importantly, try to get back past this level of resistance, as I mentioned, at that 33,485. Even then, I'm not super convinced, that we are looking great, but I will definitely take that. It would be like a one step at a time process, but we need the price of Bitcoin to stay above the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level at all costs, guys. This could be a very decisive factor. And, if the support line does not hold, we are in for more downwards momentum. And now you may be asking, how does that impact altcoins? Altcoins are going to get hit even harder. As you guys may know, when Bitcoin goes down, altcoins go down double digits. And that's exactly what we're going to see happen right now. So, if you are in the market to dollar cost average in, I have not seen, this type of sale within the markets since the dip we saw back when, March 2020 crash. You guys know what happened. I'm not trying to say due to YouTube guidelines, but we know what happened, and that really caused a major crash within the markets, and we have not seen those type of deals since then. So if you want a dollar cost average in proper projects, with useful products and I'm sorry, not useful products, but the big communities, working product, you want to be dollar cost averaging while there's a major bloodbath across the board, like we are seeing right now happen in front of us. This is major bloodbath across the board, major fear, absolutely too extreme. And this is when life-changing gains can be made. When there's a lot of fear across the board, you want to be getting greedy. And this is a saying, it's a popular saying: be greedy while others are fearful, be fearful while others are greedy. And there's a lot of people scooping up these dips. And if you may ask me, hey, Crypto ZX, does this not scare you? As I have mentioned in my yesterday's video to you guys, this does not scare me, because the reason as to why is because I look at the bigger picture. Bitcoin, without a doubt, in my personal opinion, is here to stay. It's the new revolution of the finance world, the money, the new money. It's the new digital money. And before, just look at it a couple of years back. No one liked Bitcoin, especially the traditional market people, investors, hedge funds, big investors from Wall Street. They never liked Bitcoin because new technology, guess what? It puts a major impact on the traditional, stock market along with the fiat system. But they started to, do their due diligence research. They started to find out, Bitcoin is actually an asset that we can use. And, the best part is we can hedge against inflation with this asset class. And now it's treated as an asset class. And without a doubt, I don't see Bitcoin going anywhere. Obviously these type of volatility are going to occur within the markets, guys. We just have to get used to it. But, when you are picking up some altcoins, you always want to pick altcoins that you have done your due diligence and research, and always don't invest where you can afford to lose. And when you see major profits within the price, you want to be locking in profits. I cannot stress this enough, right? But as of now, guys, this is an emergency video for you guys from my workplace right now. Right now, the price of Bitcoin needs to stay at this level. If we break below it, guys, then we could be having a total different conversation, and I will cover you guys if that were to happen. So, just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. This would mean the world to me, and let me know if you guys are enjoying these urgent videos and what other type of videos you want me to cover on my channel. I love you all. Thank you so much for supporting. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Not see you guys tomorrow, maybe see you guys tonight. And yeah, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later.